Hello and welcome to Malik's Magical Tales. I'm your host, Malik Hamza, but you can call me AI Hamza, your trusty guide through the wonders of artificial intelligence. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: autofilling missing information in documents using GPT. Let's get started. Imagine you have a document with some missing details, perhaps a form or a report. It can be a bit of a headache, right? But fear not, with the help of GPT, we can make this process a breeze. Meet Lola Starling, our fabulous expert in document management.
Hello there, I'm Lola Starling, and I'm here to show you how you can effortlessly autofill those pesky missing areas in your documents using GPT. Let's dive into an example. Here's a sample document with some fields left blank. First, upload your document profile to GPT. It's simple. Just drag and drop the file into the tool. Once your document is uploaded, GPT will analyze it and highlight the areas where information is missing. For instance, let's look at this form. GPT will prompt you to provide any missing data it needs to autofill. And just like that, GPT will complete the missing fields with accurate and relevant information. It's as easy as pie. By using GPT, you save time and reduce errors. So next time you're stuck with incomplete documents, remember to upload your profile to GPT and let the magic happen.
Thanks for tuning into Malik's Magical Tales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, stay tuned for more fantastic tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Malik Hamza, AI Hamza, signing off. Cheers.
Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.